more boring experiments and complex calculations. Today, our hypothesis is all about whether we can sneak candy into class or not. In every class, there are students who study hard. And students who prefer to have fun instead. Hey, what are you doing? But jokes aside, the teacher is in the room. You need to look serious. Mr. Jones prepared a test. Take the sheet with questions. Only a straight A student would be excited about this. Looks like the teacher's very young and inexperienced. That's why he's so nervous. But Erica's not worried. A snack is the best cure for nerves. Hiding marshmallows in your hair? That's a great school life hack. And the straight A students can be jealous all they want. They only use their brains for memorization. They can't come up with brilliant ideas. Mr. Jones can't wait for class to be over. He's probably hungry, poor guy. This part of the room smells suspiciously like marshmallows.
Oh.
No, it's just my hairstyle. It's weird. I can definitely smell marshmallow. Erica is good at hiding treats. It's easier to learn with good music. Wow, these headphones are so cool. It's a new model. Come on, wireless headphones are trendy now. Look how comfortable they are. Especially since this headset is made of the highest quality, delicious materials. Look at this, edible AirPods. That's a great idea. But you didn't think I came to class empty-handed, did you? At the right moment, the headphones turn into sweet macarons. I love them. And Erica is happy to share with her friend. By the way, she has a treat too. Pockets full of marshmallow headphones. Wow, technology has come so far. Now hide the snacks in your ears and go to class. Another boring lecture. Miss Know-It-All is taking notes. And Erica is solving a difficult makeup problem. Wow, fake lips? That's imaginative. Erica looks really unusual today. All to trick the teacher and bring another snack to class. Her new lips are edible. But that's not all. Erica's eyelids are decorated with sprinkles. Sweet makeup is so trendy. Hey, leave my face alone. Learn your formulas. But how can you resist when there are so many snacks on your neighbor's face? An excellent student and a failing student at the same desk? This won't end well. However, even though she's not hungry for knowledge, she's hungry from food. My favorite textbook! This book is made out of wafers. Don't look at me, you are not getting anything. You have to be careful, because the principal is also interested in these unusual teaching aids. Okay, the coast is clear. You can chew on science a bit. It's a very tasty addition. No, you'll have to be patient for now. The principal is ruining my appetite. But as she stops paying attention, the book disappears in the mouth in seconds. I wish all textbooks were that delicious. However, the principal also has some tricks up her sleeve. I see you have studied hard. An attempt to blame the neighbor doesn't work out so well. Get out of the room and come back tomorrow with your parents. Both of you! How dare they break my ban on snacks? Crumbs are all over the place. It's unacceptable. And now, chemistry class. There is so much potential for experimentation. Interesting liquids in the test tubes. You can mix one with the other and get... Wait, let me show you a unique experiment. Mr. Jones seems to be really into chemistry. But his students aren't that interested.
Oh.
While the teacher is looking for new reagents, Erica creates her own chemical reaction. If you mix milkshakes with different flavors, you'll get something delicious. Let's shake it up a little and drink through a straw. Poor neighbor! There's not a single tasty molecule she can try. All right, here you go. Enjoy! Oh, that's so sweet! Uh-oh, what's that smoke? Oh, just Mr. Jones and his experimental mixtures. Looks like the experiment went well. His appearance shows the depth of his commitment to science. Yeah, we got some interesting results here, too. He didn't even realize there was a milkshake in the flask. Another school day. It's off to a good start. Hello, why do you have a Band-Aid on your forehead? Got in a fight with the door? That's hilarious! But it gives me an idea. This is a good one. Let's take a pack of chewing gum. It's going to make a great Band-Aid. There you go. Oh no, it's the principal again. But even her sharp eyes can't figure out where the forbidden treat is. This is clear. That's clear too. But they both have these weird Band-Aids. But you are going to have to spit out your gum. It's okay, we have a whole warehouse of chewing gum on the cheap. Although not everyone has one. Only the most creative students. Even though it's hot, you still have to come to class. So it's normal to see dark sunglasses in the classroom. But why is Erica licking them? The excellent student can't stand it anymore. Mr. Jones, come here, please. Look, there's clearly something wrong with these glasses. Now Erica's going to have to talk her way out of this. These are normal glasses. I was just cleaning them. How dare you make false accusations? Oh, wow. That's an unexpected turn. In your face, snitch! Erica can keep licking the delicious lenses of her glasses, since they are made of caramel. The exposé failed. Discussing skincare products right at the desk? It's a nice pastime. This is just acne cream. For acne? I should try it. Phew, I think I got away with it. Now I can enjoy my snack. Of course, instead of lotion, it's just tasty nougat. Mmm, delicious! And here's another idea, a pill dispenser full of colored candies. Nobody would think to check the composition of the pills. Oops, here's Mr. Jones again. What's wrong with his face? Just a reaction to the sweet lotion. Oh, allergy pills! But the contents of the dispenser aren't going to help him. Looks like it's bad. Poor Mr. Jones. Sometimes you really need sweets at school. But you have to be careful with them. Don't forget about Skittle Pops. Did you like our high school hacks? Write in the comments and tell us about how you sneak candy into class. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to be the first to watch new videos on Troom Wow!